Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to hide hashtags on Instagram story. We will start by opening our Instagram application. Then, we will click on the lower icon to add a new story or move the screen to the right. Now we create the story we want to publish. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Once we have it ready, we can tag someone. To do this, click on the top face icon. Within the options that appear, click on the one that corresponds to the mention. Now write the name of the user and click on it. To hide this label, press and hold it and drag it to one of the lower sides of the screen. Avoid dragging it to the center since otherwise you would delete it. Once you see it disappear, you will have tagged that user without showing their name in your story. You can now publish your story if you want. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.